Do you have your complete list? Let's say, for example, you have a list of 6 potential clients. I hope you have more, but we're working with 6. And these clients are local. Of the 6 on your list, let's say that 3 hire your services as a photographer or they buy your photos. That's 3 successes that you can use and add them to your resume or your CV. Now, these may seem like small successes, but by all means, be pleased with any success, small or large. Every success you have as a photographer is a stepping stone to your next success. Over time, and it doesn't have to be a long time, you will have experience on your resume and be ready for the larger goals that you've set out for yourself.